Welcome to Dead Boys Corner, and today we are going to use Waydroid to set up an Android TV build. So for the first step, we're going to copy this because we are going to clone the SteamOS Waydroid installer from 10-minute Steamdeck, like gamer. He's the one that created the script. Okay, now that we have that cloned, going to list directory, and we are going to cd into this directory. That just means to change the directory of where it's at. And then list again, we're going to run this. So / and paste. That essentially just says to, hey, launch this script. And then, yep. Now we're going to put in our sudo password. Now this is going to take a little bit of it. It's just, I believe it's enabling like read-only and then cloning it from Arch. Gonna go with the no gapps build and press OK. It is downloading the version of it, but we are going to actually replace it with Waydroid Android TV build, which I'll have all this stuff like linked in the description. It's going to take a little while. Yeah, so that took a bit of a minute, but basically what it did was it downloaded the image. Now it's downloading the vendor image, and then it's just extracting those into its directory. But what we're going to do is override it after the script is done with an Android TV build of version Android 13, and it just added a shortcut into Steam. Yep. Let's close out of Steam. And go into the folder. I have the system image, so we're just going to move this into our Waydroid folder. Waydroid images. Okay, it wants to launch again. Awesome. Okay, there we go. Yep, and then go into images. See these two? We are going to delete those. Paste that in there, and then paste its vendor. And that is the Android 13. Now all we just got to do is launch up Steam. And then there should be one that says Android Waydroid Cage. Open that up. this should boot into the Lineage OS Android 13 build. And we go. I'm using a Projectify launcher, and but basically what you can do is you can download APK files as long as they are the x86 64-bit ones, and then you can just right click and install them into Waydroid, and then they will pop up. I've yet to figure out how to get Google Apps working in this, but for what I need it for, I don't really need Google Apps. But